Hello YouTube, this is the sound test video for the Yamaha YHT 1840 music system. Sorry I couldn't do this sooner, I have been busy with my work. And thank you very much for the number of views. I really didn't expect my previous video would get so many views. Thank you. Before we begin, I will be talking about my current setup, how I have placed the speakers so that you will have a brief idea. As you can see on the front, you see the TV alongside the receiver, and left and right channels are on the either side of the TV, and the center channel is actually behind the TV. The subwoofer is sitting on the right hand side. The rear mounted speakers are actually attached to two stands on behind me. I'm not able to actually show that. They are actually behind my couch. This would just give you an idea on how my speakers placement is. And we will first begin with some music, and we'll see how that actually sounds, and then we will go into the video section to also understand how a video or a movie would sound on this particular system. I would also like to set some expectations that this is not a premium kind of a speakers. You would need to understand that the whole package is costing somewhere around 29,000. So we need to have very clear expectations on how this is going to sound. So also keep in mind that I'm recording this from a mobile camera, and you're going to listen to this on a different pair of speakers. So this is not actually going to give you a clear idea of how this is going to sound. This is just an indication probably. And also we will be using the no copyright sounds, obviously, because we don't want to get into trouble of the copyrights part. So having said that, we will be starting with this music, and just to give you an idea, this setup is currently running on a 2-channel kind of a setup, because I want to help you understand how this is going to sound if you're just listening to it as a 2.1 channel. Okay, here we go. And yeah. I will now change it to 5-channel stereo. So basically what this means is all 5 speakers are going to work in tandem, but as a 2-channel. Switching it back to 2.1 channel. And the 5-channel. turning the extra bass on.
वो सारे सिविलियंस और ऑफिसर्स के लिए क्लियर एग्जाम्पल है।
थैंक यू सर।
इन सब में मुझे एक कनेक्शन और चाहिए। अलसाइद अली आपको
नाम और उम्र बताओ। नाम
बताए बार बार एक ही बात हो रहा है। काम मुकम्मल होगा ऐसा कुछ का एहसास दिलाकर उन्हें